Dear student, today we shall learn in circumference and area of a circle in segment and sector. Some important question of the segment and segment. First question. ABC is a equilateral triangle whose one side is 20 cm. From each vertex draw an area of 10 cm radius. Find the area of shaded portion. ABC is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Sides is 20 cm. And three circle draw, vertex of center point A, B and C. Then find the shaded portion. Radius of circle 20 by 2 equal to 10 cm. Radius equal to 10 cm. Theta equal to 60. All angles are equal by equilateral triangle. And side equal to 20 cm. Find the shaded portion of area. Area of triangle subtracting area of three sector. Then find the shaded portion. Area of shaded portion equal to area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4a square minus area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. 1 sector, 2 sector, 3 sector, then 3 times. Put the value of side and radius. Root 3 by 4 a square. A means side of triangle 20 cm. 3 times of pi. Given pi की value 3.14. Radius 10 multiplied by 10. Theta 60. Divide by 360. Simplify. Cancel point. Divide by 100. 100 and 100 cancel. 60. 6 ja 360. 3 2 ja 6. Value of root 3 1.73. Square of 20 400. Divide by 4 and cancel point. Divide by 100. 4 cancel 400 100 times 100 to 100 cancel. 314 upon 2. Next 173 minus divide by 2 cut 1 time 5 times 7 times. 170 minus 157 16 centimeter square area of shaded portion. Next question. Question number 2. The hour hand of clock is 6 cm long. Then radius equal to 6 cm. Find the area of the sector formed by the hand in 90 minutes. Radius equal to 6 cm. Hour hand 1 minute. Subtend angle equal to 1 by 2 degree. Therefore, hour and 90 minute subtended angle 1 by 2 multiplied by 90 simplify 45 degree. Therefore, theta equal to 45 and radius equal to 6 centimeter. Find the area of sector. Area of sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Pi 22 upon 7. Radius 6 into 6. Theta 45 upon 360. cancel 9 5 ja 45, 9 4 ja 36, again 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40, 22 multiply by 6, multiply by 6, 7 multiply by 8, 2 cancel 4 time and 3 time, 2 cancel 2 time 3 time, 2 cancel 22 11, 11 multiply by 9 upon 7, 99 upon 7, 99 upon 7, simplify, 1 ja 4 ja and 0.1.4 centimeter square. The area of sector equal to 14.14 centimeter square. Next question. Third, the chord of a circle of radius 5 centimeter, r equal to 5 centimeter, subtended 90 degree at the center, theta equal to 90. Find the area of minor segment from by the chord. Radius equal to 5 centimeter, theta equal to 90 degree. Find the minor segment. Formula of minor segment: area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. Subtracting area of triangle, theta is 90, therefore formula of triangle 1 by 2 base into perpendicular. Draw the diagram. Radius equal to 5 centimeter, theta 90 and area of minor arc. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius 5 multiply by 5, theta 90 upon 360 minus 1 by 2, base and height 5 and 5. 94 ja 360, 2 ja and 11 ja. 11 multiply by 25 upon 7 2 ja 40. 5 5 ja 25 upon 2. 11 5 ja 55, carry 5. 11 2 ja 22 and 5 27. Divide by 14. Divide by 2, 12.5. Again divide by 14. 1 ja 14, 1 ja 14. Remaining 13. 13 to 135. 9 ja 116. 116 and also divide by this 19.64 minus 12.5, subtracting 7.14 centimeter square, area of minor segment. Next question. Chord. Radius equal to 14 centimeter, theta equal to 30 degree. Find the area of major segment and minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360, subtracting area of triangle. Theta is less than 90, then r square by 2 sine theta. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7, radius equal to 14 multiplied by 14, theta equal to 30, divide by 360 minus r square 14 into 14 upon 2 sine 30 value of sine 30 1 by 2, 7 ja and 7 ja, 0 to 0 cancel 12 times, 22 multiply by 14 multiply by 14 divide by 7 into 12, minus 7 7 ja 49, again cancel 7 times and 6 times, 7 to 7 cancel, 2 cancel 7 times and 3 times, 154 upon 3 minus 49, 154 divided by 3, 51.33, subtracting 49, therefore 2.33. Area of minor segment is 2.33. Second part, area of major sector, major segment. Area of major segment pi r square, complete the circle area, subtracting to minor sector, area of minor segment pi r square 22 upon 7, radius is 14 multiplied by 14. Area of minor segment, just find 2.33. 7 2 ja 22 2 ja 44 multiplied by 14 minus 2.33. 14 4 ja 56. 14 4 ja 56 and carries 5, 61, minus 2.33, subtracting 1613.67 centimeter square of area of major segment. Next question. Next question 5. Radius equal to 12 centimeter and theta equal to 120. Find the area of segment. Area of segment, put the formula. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360. Subtracting area of triangle. Area of triangle theta is greater than 90. Therefore, formula r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Put the value pi 22 upon 7. Radius 12 multiplied by 12. Theta 120 upon 360 minus r square 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. Sin 120 by 2 60, sin value of sin 60 root 3 by 2 and value of cos 60 1 by 2. 123 ja 3 4 ja 22 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 4 divided by 7. 6 ja and 6 ja 36 multiplied by root 3, put the value of root 3 1.73. Multiply by 36 and 1.73. $62.28. 88 multiplied by 12, 1056 upon 7. Divide by 7, 158.8. Subtracting 12.28. 158 subtract 62.28, remaining part 88.44 centimeter square. Then area of minor segment equal to 88.44 centimeter square. Next question. Question number 6. A minute hand 14 centimeter longer, therefore radius is 14 centimeter. 5 minutes subtended angle, then area of sector. Minute hand 1 minute subtended angle equal to 6 degree. Then minute hand 5 minute subtended angle 6 multiplied by 5, 30 degree. Then theta equal to 30 and radius equal to 14. Find the area of sector. Pi r square theta upon 360. 22 upon 7. Radius 14 multiplied by 14. Theta is 30 upon 360. 0 to 0. 12 3 is 36. 22 14 multiplied by 14. 7 into 12. 7 2 is 14. 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6 and 7. 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. 154 upon 3. Divide by 154 upon 3, then 51.33 centimeter square. Area is a sector. Next question. Seven. Find the area of fourth quadrant of a circle. Circumference equal to 22. A circle divide by 4 quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Find the area of fourth quadrant. Find area of fourth quadrant. Circumference equal to 22 centimeter. Find the radius of circle. 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeter. 2 multiplied by 7, radius 22. Transfer the remaining part. 2 by 1, 1 by 2 and 7 by 22. 22 2 ja 22, 22 cancel and radius equal to 7 by 2. Area of fourth quadrant. Radius equal to 7 by 2 and theta equal to quadrant equal 90. Then area of quadrant pi r square theta upon 360. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius equal to 7 by 2 multiply by 7 by 2. Theta equal to 90 divided by 360. 90 and 360 cancel 4 times. 7 to 7 cancel. 154 upon 16 centimeter square. Area of fourth quadrant. Thank you.